Hello guys, my name is Farah and I'm the artist who created the Farahbrightart washi tape set. And you can find me also on Instagram as Farah.brightart. And I'd love to share with you guys the progress of creating this lovely washi tape set, and I really hope you enjoy it as much as I did. So I named this collection as Farah Bright Set, and I choose my name Farah because it's been in Arabic, joy and happiness. And actually creating this lovely washi tape designs was really super joyful, and it's really made me feel so happy to see them and give me a really good vibes too. And I'm actually super grateful for the washi tape shop for giving me this opportunity to create these lovely washi tape designs for them. And I also have an online shop where I sell stationery stuff and products all designed by me, such as stickers, bookmarks, notepad, and also greeting card and many other different stuff. They are all available on my Etsy shop at Farah.brightart or Farahbrightart. And now, let's talk about where I got the inspiration to create all this collection. So, the inspiration for this collection actually came from all my previous work that I have created before and loved the most. And here's a few clips for you guys to show you each design with his inspiration source. So, here we go. I really hope you guys enjoyed the progress and enjoyed our little chat too, and I hope you will enjoy the collection as well. Again, big thanks to the Washi Tape Shop for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.